you are making your CV, you should have 3 important things on the top 50% of the page. The first one is skills, the second is experience, the third is projects. Okay, and now the second thing is, once you're writing about your experience, you have to mention how Mahmoud has used front-end development to make changes in the company and helped their website made much more efficient. How Mahmoud has used back-end development to make the X company website more smooth, run smoothly and are error-free. Okay, so you have to mention how your actions in that particular company and what technologies have you used. Mahmoud has used Node.js for backend development in the particular company to solve their problem and have made sure their website runs smoothly. All right, so this is how you have to mention everything.